Hello class, I'm going to teach you how to add. Let's look at number 9 first. Number 9, we have 6, 2, and a 2. Now we're not going to add them all three at once, so we're just going to add 2 by 2. So we're going to add 2 with 2, so it's going to be 2 plus 2. To add this more easier, I'm going to make 2 dots. I'm going to make dots out of them, basically. So it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2. Since we're adding and we're combining in, I'm going to combine the dots. Now, let's count how many dots we have inside the box. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 dots, which means our answer is 4. So, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now our next goal is to add 6 with 4. I'm going to erase this. So 6 plus 4. Again, how we did before, let's make dots. So 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to combine them. Now let's count how many dots we have in the box. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 dots, which means our answer in total is 10. Let's look at number 14. 14 here we have 10, 3, and a 4. So I'm going to add 3 and 4 first. 4 plus 3. Like we did above, let's make dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for 3, 1, 2, 3. Combine them and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 dots, which means 4 plus 3 equals 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now our next goal is to add 10 with 7. Now you see 10 has 2 digits, a 1 and a 0. The 1 is in the tens place and the 0 is in the ones place. Now if you look at the number 7 here, 7 is in the ones place. So I am going to line up with the ones place right here like this. So then if we add, let's do the dots again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number for 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's combine them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 dots, which means 10 plus 7 equals 17. So our answer in total is 17. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So here we have this. So 1 penny equals 1 cent. A nickel equals 5 cents. A dime equals 10 cents. A quarter equals 25 cents. And a $50 equals 15 cents. There's nothing much we can really do about this, but you just have to memorize them, okay? It's all about the memorization. Kids, move on to this page. So it says count on by adding each coin value to find the total amount. The total amount. Okay, so I guess we have to find whether this nickel here is 5 cents, 25 cents, 50 cents, or yes. So 1 nickel equals what? We don't know. So let's go back up here and check. It says 1 nickel equals 5 cents. Okay, 1 nickel equals 5 cents. So we're just gonna write 5 cents here. And now we have 3 pennies. 1 penny equals what? We don't know. So let's look up. 1 penny equals 1 cent. Okay, let's write that there for these 3 pennies. So each one of them equals 1 cent. So that's how it's gonna look. Now let's look at number 4. 4, we have 3 dimes and a nickel. How many 1 dime equals what? We forgot. So let's check up here. 1 dime equals 10 cents. So let's write that. Each of these dimes equals 10 cents. 10, 10. And now, what about a nickel? We check for nickel. 1 nickel equals 5 cents. Okay, now we're done here. Let's go to the word problems. The word problems. So let's look at number 1. It says there are 4 apple trees, 6 lemon trees, and 6 apricot trees in an orchard. How many fruit trees are there in all? See, look here. It says how many fruit trees are there in all. This tells us to combine them. And when we combine, we're adding them. So I'm going to erase this. So they're telling us to combine all the trees. So it's going to be 4 plus 6 plus 6. Now, we aren't going to combine them all at once. So let's take our time. So we're going to do 4 plus 6 first. Let's make our dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's combine those dots and see how many dots we have in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 dots in the box, so that tells us that 4 plus 6 equals 10. Okay. So, whoops. 4, oh my god, sorry. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. And our next goal is to add 10 with 6. So 10 plus 6 equals, let's make our dots again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's combine them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 dots in the box. So that means 10 plus 6 equals 16. So that tells us that by adding all of the trees, there are 16 fruit trees in total. Okay, we're done with number 1. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 says Mason has 8 pennies and 1 nickel. How much does he have? That's another problem telling us to combine. So we have to add again. Whoops. So let's highlight our key details first. It says Mason has 8 pennies and 1 nickel. And they're asking us to combine those two. So penny, the color of pennies is going to be orange. So they said that we have 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how much did 1 penny equal? It equals 1 cent. So 1 for all of them. And now we're going to add all of them. So 1 plus 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 1 equals 8 pennies. Sorry, 8 cents. And now we have 1 nickel. And 1 nickel equals 5 cents. So then now we have to combine 8 cents with 5 cents. So it's gonna be 8 plus 5. Let's make our dots again. So it's me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's combine those dots and count how many dots there are in the box. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 dots in the box, which tells us that 8 cents plus 5 cents equals 13 cents. So they asked how much money does he have? He has 13 cents.